Hello and welcome. I'm Jenny Hall. Thanks for joining me for another card making tutorial. Today I'd like to share a new word building stamp set called Make a Difference. Make a Difference and Love What You Do are going to be available starting in May in the Share What You Love bundles. 3 different bundles to choose from, and it's an early release in the 2018 Stampin' Up! Catalog. There are 143 images in this stamp set. It's a little intimidating to use, but I have a few tips that might help you along the way. I've taken all of the letters that I need to spell 2 different words and placed them on a large clear block. Not that I need to stamp with that clear block. I'm just getting them all out and positioned so that I know exactly what I'm doing. Sometimes that's half of the work, just figuring it out in my mind. So I'm first going to stamp the word mom, M-O-M, and I am lining up the letters as best as I can. I do understand that these are some very small images, and it's going to take me some practice in order to get everything lined up the way that it's intended. But my black journaling pen helps me out to connect lines that I might not have connected by my stamping. I'm now going to spell the word sister, and one reason why I like this stamp set so much is that I can stamp any word that I need. I don't have a stamp set that says sister, and I don't have a stamp set that says mom. I might have an isolated image I could get that says mother, but not mom. So Mother's Day is coming up here in the United States, and I'm making a card for my mom and for my sister. But I want it to just have mom or sister. So this is the perfect stamp set. There are the calligraphy brush styled letters, but there are also some small block style letters as well, so you can have a couple of different looks. I'm going to use the paper Share What You Love Specialty Designer Series paper, and I would like to tell you guys that this paper is incredible. As much as it's been seen around the internet, it doesn't do it justice to just look at it. It must be touched and it must be seen in person to understand exactly that pearl coating on it is incredible. I think you can see a little bit of it there. This card base is made from that new color Seafoam Green. Isn't it pretty? And it's not a color used in the Designer Series paper, but I thought it looked so well. And since this card is special for my mom, I wanted it to have a special new color. So this is the very first time I'm using Seafoam Green, and I have 2 pieces of it in the cardstock pack that I am hoarding. So I'm sharing it with my mom. I've fussy cut some of the flowers away from the Designer Series paper, and I'm just pushing them around on where the sentiment is to bring a little bit of life to the front of the card. But I tell you, I don't want to take away from that Designer Series paper that has so much shimmer and shine on it. There are some pearls that are called artisan pearls that are the same color combinations as there are in the Share What You Love DSP pack. This DSP pack is so versatile. You're going to be using it all the time for all sorts of things. And it's a very large pack of paper as well. So beginning in May, watch out for my newsletter if you're on my newsletter list, and it will give you the purchasing opportunities. You can purchase this, one of the 3 bundles that are going to be offered for this particular product. I'm going to be part of a tutorial group, and we're offering a very large amount of tutorials for just using these products that you see that are in the bundles. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment. I'd love to answer them and give you the opportunity to be able to earn the tutorial PDF pack. because the tutorials are amazing. You're going to really love them. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.